Hi everybody, I am going to discuss a differential equation. Subject is mathematics. Differential equation. What is differential equation? And differential equation which involves a dependent variable comma one or more independent variable and their coefficient and differential equation which involve a dependent variables, one or more independent variables and their coefficients or differential. So any equation which involve dependent or independent variables and their coefficients or differential is known as differential equation. For example, suppose du square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus y equal to x cube. So this is a differential equation. Now suppose dy dx plus x y equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. So any equation of the form of dependent independent variable, suppose this x dy dx, this differential equation is partial differential equation, dy dx plus y dy dy equal to xy. So any equation of the form that is consists of dependence variable and independence variable is known as differential equation. A differential equation, any differential equation ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation a differential equation which involves only independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. A differential equation which involve only independent variables is called ordinary differential equation, which consists of independent variable. For example, we can consider this d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 5y equal to x. This is an ordinary differential equation. Now partial differential equation. A differential equation which involve in ordinary differential equation which involve only one independent variable, that is only one independent variable and one dependent. In partial differentiation, a differential equation which involve two or more, when use only one independent variable, that is ordinary differential equation, only one independent variable and a differential equation which involve two or more independent variable is called partial differential equation. So there are two types of differential equation. A differential equation which involve only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Here d square y by dx square plus dy by dx 5yx differentiate with respect to x, that is differentiate with respect to x. And ordinary partial differential equation, a differential equation which involve two or more independent variable. For example, you can consider this way. These are ordinary differential equation. These are partial differential equation. Ordinary, suppose x dy dx plus 5y equal to 7. There is a one independent variable. And consider another example. Suppose there is a d square y by dx square plus 7 dy dx plus 5y equal to x. And partial differential equation as x du by dx y du by dy equal to two or more. There is a two or more independent variable. And suppose d square z by dx square, d square z by dy square equal to x plus y. Here two or more independent variable. But in this case there is only one, that is either dx or dy independent variables. So this is the difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. In ordinary differential, this is d by dx or dy by dy, but in partial, this is partial differentiation d by dx or d by dy. So this is the concept of differential equation and different types of differential equation. Now we have to know what is order and degree. This is very important idea for MCQ question or any question. What is order and degree of differential equation? The order of differential equation. First of all, order. The order of differential equation. That is the highest order derivative. The order of differential equation is the highest order derivative, which is the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. So it is the highest order derivative. That is the highest order derivative is known as order. And degree. Now the degree is the power of the highest order derivative. Degree is the power of highest order derivative. It is the power of highest order derivative. It is the power of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. So order means the order of differential equation is the highest order derivative occurring in differential equation. Degree is the power of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Degree is the power of highest order derivative. It is the power of highest order derivative. And first of all we have to find the order, then we have to find out the degree of the differential equation. Now the example. So these are the definitions of order and degree. Consider the differential equation. We have to find out order and degree of the differential equation. Suppose these are the example. d square dq y by dx cube plus there is a whole square dy by dx the whole cube plus 5y equal to 0. This is an ordinary differential equation. We have to find out the degree of the degree and order of the differential equation. Degree and order of the differential equation. Now, first of all, we have to find the order. Order mean the max of the power of d, max of the power of d for differential equation. That is here 3, the maximum dq, there is a 3, there is 1 and max is 3. So order is the maximum derivative, that is the maximum derivative dq, here d1, so maximum is 3. And degree, when you get the order, we can easily get the power of maximum power of, this is the power of order differential equation, power of the order. So power of the order mean here the power is 3 and the order is 3, or this is the order and the maximum power is 2. So degree is the power of order, that is equal to 2. So order equal to 3 and degree equal to 3. So we can easily find out any equation, the order and degree involve that equation. Now consider another example. Suppose we have to find out order and degree of the equation 3 plus dy by dx for the whole square 5 by 2 equal to d square y by dx square. Now we have to find the order and degree of that equation. There is a fraction, so we have to remove the fractions. How to remove the fraction? There is a by 2, so squaring both sides. When you perform the squaring both side operation, then there is this whole to the power 5 and d square y by dx square, the whole square, squaring both sides. Now you can say the degree. First of all, you have to find the order. Here order is the maximum power of d is 2 and 1. So among 2 and 1 maximum is 2. This is the order. And degree equal to the maximum power of that differential equation. The maximum power is here 2. Maximum power of that order. Their order is 2 and the maximum power of that order is 2. Order 2 and degree 2. In this way, we can easily find any differential equation with order and degree. Consider another example. Suppose this expressions is given as suppose x y d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx the whole square and equal to y dy by dx. Suppose this is the problem is given in the question. Now we have to find out the order and degree. The order is again the max of d. Here d is 2, here d is 1, the power of d, that is differential 2, 1 and 1. When this order is 2. As there is no fractions, it's okay. So no need to remove the fraction. Now degree is the highest order, power of highest order. This there is no power of this, there is 1, that is degree 1. In this way we can easily find out the order and degree of the any differential equation. Suppose the example y dy by dx plus y root over of equal to sin s. We have to find out the degree and order. There is a fraction dy by dx plus y, there is a whole to the power half equal to sin x. Multiply both sides. If you perform multiplication operation, then dy by dx plus y equal to sin square x. This is the performance of removal of fraction part. Now we can easily say the degree, there is only one d, the order is 1 and degree is the power of the maximum order, that is degree is 1. So degree is order 1, order is 1. In this way we can easily find out order and degree of any differential equation. First of all, we have to find the order and then the corresponding power of that order. is the degree. Now I am going to discuss the formation of some differential equation in this video. Formation of ordinary differential equation. Topics is formation of ordinary differential equation. Formation of ordinary differential equation. Y equal to a sin mx plus b cos mx is given. Now we need to form the differential equation from the relation. This is the relation. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to, there is a differentiation sin mx mean a is a constant, sin differentiation of sin is cos mx, and there is a x has coefficient m, so there is a into m into cos mx. Now plus b cos differentiation, if you perform differentiation from cos, then it will convert to minus sin x, so there is a minus, and b, this is b, and sin x, sin mx. The coefficient of the value of x is m, so there is a b minus b into m, sin x mx. The differentiate of sin x is cos x, and sin cos x is minus sin x. Now if you perform differentiate again, we have to find the differential equation. Differentiate with respect to x. If you perform differentiation with respect to x again, then you get second order differentiation, that is d square over dx square equal to, again the differentiate of this, there is a cos, so minus a is a constant, m is a constant, and cos mx differentiate, if you perform differentiate, that we get sin mx, and there is a value of m, that is a minus m square. And if you perform the sin mx differentiate again, then is a b sin mean cos mx mean, there is m into m, that is bm square cos mx. Now if you take a common, that is m square is available, and minus, that is a sin mx plus b cos mx, and this is the given math, so we can say this one is m square y, and d square y by dx square plus m square y equal to 0. So this is the formation of ordinary differential equation. যে কোনো ম্যাথ তোমাদের যদি দেয় ফর্মে একটা ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে বলো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য differential equation, then we have to find out differentiation of first order differentiation, and then second order differentiation. Consider another example. Suppose y equal to e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x is given. We have to find out the differential equation. Find out the differential equation. Find out the differential equation. Y equal to e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x. Now this is the first of all differentiate. Y equal to e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, and differentiate, there is the first one differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x, mean dy by dx equal to uv formula. There is a u and v, there is two functions, that is ex, and other is a cos x plus b sin x. So you have to perform u and v, and we know the function of u and v differentiation, multiplication. This is u constant, and differentiate this part, that is minus a sin x plus b cos x. Next v. Now v is constant, mean a cos x plus b sin x is constant, and we know that e to the power x differentiate mean e to the power x, remain same. Now a cos x plus b sin x is already known to us, that is y. I mean dy by dx equal to e to the power x minus a sin x plus b cos x plus that is equal to y, because a cos x plus b sin x e to the power x equal to y. Now differentiate again, differentiate with respect to যতক্ষণ না অবধি আমরা a b কে এলিমিনেট করতে পারছি, ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করে যাব with respect to x, mean second order differentiate d square y by dx square, and uv formula again e to the power x minus a cos x, it is uv, and minus b sin x, and this one is constant next time, I mean a sin x plus b cos x into e to the power x differentiate mean e to the power x. When you perform it, this is e to the power x into e to the power x, and y mean this is equal to dy by dx. Differentiate of y is dy by dx, dy by dx. So now we have to perform the elimination. D square y by this finally d square y by dx square e to the power x, that is taking minus common. If you perform minus, I mean that is e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x, and this part is from the previous value. This part is from the previous value. We can achieve the value that is equal to from the previous dy by dx. So dy by dx minus y equal to this part, and there is a dy by dx, and there is a dy by dx. Now eliminate this all the values here. D square y by dx square is there, equal to this one is minus y, this one is minus y, because all thing is y, and this is dy by dx minus y plus dy by dx. Now we can say in d square y by dx square minus 2y equal to minus 2y plus 2 dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx, mean d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y is the answer, and this is a very important question. In this way we can eliminate differential equation. For example, I'll share another example. Suppose y equal to a cos x plus b sin x, then the answer is option A d square y dx square equal to 0, option B d square y by dx square equal to plus y equal to 0, option C d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0, option D d square y by dx square minus 1 equal to 0. These are the option. We have to find out the correct option. Now this is y equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx equal to that is a cos x mean minus a sin x, and b sin x mean that is equal to b cos x. Now we can perform differentiate again. I mean differentiate with respect to x again. With respect to x, d square y by dx square equal to we perform differentiation. My a minus sin x mean a cos x, and this is b sin x. Take minus as common, then we'll a cos x plus b sin x. This equal to y mean d square y by dx square equal to minus y. A cos x plus b sin x, this is equal to y, and d square y by dx square equal to minus y, mean d square by dx square plus y equal to 0. The correct answer is B. So B is the correct alternative option of this elimination. So this is very initial concept of differential equation. In this video I have discussed what is differential equation, what are the different types of ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation. When ordinary differential equation means when there is only one independent variable, and partial differentiation variable mean when there are two or more independent variable is partial differentiation. I have discussed what is order, the maximum power of d, that is the maximum differentiation. Is order, and degree is the order and the power of the corresponding order, that is the degree. Now the examples, different example of order and degree, and finally there is the equation is given. We have to find out the ordinary differential equation by making first order differentiation and second order differentiation and exchanging the values, or that is eliminating all the remaining values. We have to find out the equation form. So this is the topics of the video.